In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam error E2 quickly and safely. This issue can stop your games from launching or prevent Steam from working properly, but don't worry, the fix is actually very straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you can get back to gaming without any headaches. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to completely close Steam. Even if it looks closed, it might still be running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, scroll through the list and look for anything called Steam or Steam.exe. Right-click on each one and click End Task. Make sure every Steam process is closed before moving on, because this step is important for the fix to work properly. Next, we're going to reset Steam's configuration. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type steam:///flushconfig, then press Enter. This command clears Steam's cached configuration files, which are often the cause of the E2 error. After you run this command, Steam may try to restart automatically. That's completely normal. Now, go ahead and restart your computer. This ensures that all changes are properly applied and clears out any lingering background processes that could still be causing issues. Once your PC is back on, open Steam again and sign into your account. At this point, Steam should be running more smoothly, but we're not done just yet. Next, go to your library. Find the game that was giving you the error, then right-click on it and select Properties. From there, click on Local Files and then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game files and automatically fix anything that's missing or corrupted. This step is especially important if the error was triggered by damaged files. After the verification is complete, try launching your game again. In most cases, the Steam error E2 should now be completely resolved, and that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error E2 step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.